Hey everyone, so in this video I will just show you how you can install the Linux Mint 22.3 in your Windows system and inside the VirtualBox. Okay, so you need to just search on the Google that Linux Mint ISO for VirtualBox. So first of all, you need to download one ISO image, and that image will be using in your VirtualBox to just install this particular ISO image. Okay, so here once you will come upon this link like download.php, you will see the cinnamon edition xfc mate. Okay, so now I'm going with the latest one only, that is the cinnamon edition. So you need to just click on this download button, and then you can just click on any link here if you want to click on the Linux Mint, and so that it will start downloading. Okay, so already you can see here I have already downloaded this particular file, so there is no need to again do that. So once you have also done, you can just open up your VirtualBox, and then you need to just click on this new button, and here you can just type the name, that is the Linux Mint 22.3. Okay, and then you need to select the ISO image, so just click on the other and select your image here. So I'm going to select the Linux Mint. Okay, just do next. You can do next here as well. You need to just provide the whatever the RAM you want to allocate to this particular VM, that you can just allocate. So I'm allocating up to 4 GB. Do next, and size I want to allocate for now, that is the I can allocate 120. Okay, let's do it. 100 GB I can give. So just do the next and click on finish. Okay, so now what you need to do, again click on the settings here, and you need to go in the display. You can just make it as 128 MB, that's fine, and just click on this start. So once you will click on this start button, it will try to power up your VM. So once it gets power up, then we will see how you can just install it. Okay, so here you can see please insert a bootable medium and reboot. Okay, no need to do anything. I think something is missing. Let's just power off. Let's go in settings now, and if you go in storage, so you will see this one is empty. Linux Mint VDI, and here you need to select your ISO, that is the Linux Mint 22.3. Okay, just click on OK now, and again click on start. So again it will power up the VM so that we can see how you can install. So here you can see, just to the start Linux Mint, then you will be having OM install. So just click enter. Okay, just go in the full screen. So it won't take much time for you, I think. So we'll see what comes next. Let's just wait for it. Okay, so here you can see it's loading. So here also, if you might have installed previously Ubuntu or any other distribution, you will get an interface to select your language and all, and then you can just install it. So let's just wait. Okay, so here it comes. You will see here install Linux Mint, right? So just double click on it. It's loading. Let's just wait. Mhm. Okay, so here it comes. You need to select your language. So let's go for English, and then after that, let's click on this continue button. And again, yeah, just do the continue. So it's taking some time, maybe because of host system. Okay, I'm just going to do continue. So we'll be installing whatever is the default settings are there. So if you want to play some video formats and render some websites, in that case it is required, but right now I don't need it. So I'm just going to continue. Okay, so if you need, you can just check this box, and you can just do the continue. Okay, so now again let's just do click on this install now button. So here also again you need to just do continue, and don't worry, nothing will be removed from your host system, everything will be fine. So where are you? So I'm currently in India, so I will just select the India map and continue. And whatever username you want to give, you can just give it. So I'm giving it Ayush, and computer name also I'll keep it as Ayush only. Password you can keep whatever you want to keep for you, and require my password to login, yes. So let's just do continue. So basically it will take some few seconds of time creating ext4 file system. Okay, so you need just wait and until it's done. So by that time I will just pause the video, and once it will be done I will show how it is. Okay, so now copying file has been started, then after that it will be installing, then setting up, all these things will be there, right? So basically Linux Mint is a very lightweight VM as compared to others like Ubuntu and other like Fedora, all those things. Okay, so let's just wait, and I'll be back. Okay, so copy is done. Now it's installing the system. Okay, so it is also going to complete only. So let's just wait. Okay, now the installation has completed. So yeah, we are here. So now it's time to restart the system. Just click on this restart now button. So again, it will just ask you for the whatever the username and password you have kept. So that username and password you need to enter. So then you can just log in into this Linux Mint OS. Okay. So just press enter, and now it will just restart the VM. Let's just wait. If it, yeah. So again, this is the first time it's restarting, so it's going to take some few seconds of time. So here you can see the screen size has been changed. Now let's just wait. Okay, so here it comes. Okay, you need to just enter the password here. Okay, so now you have, I think we are logged in, so it will take some time to just like, yeah. Okay, so just click on this close button, and you can just do right click control means right control and F to go into the full screen, and again come back. Okay, so this is one issue, then we need to fix it. Okay, so what you can do now is if you do control alt T, so you can just type whatever the Linux commands you are aware, lsl, all those things will work. Okay, so now let's see how we can fix this full screen issue. So okay, let's just wait. Okay, so what you need to do, just click go in devices and click on this insert guest addition. So once it's done, you will see one icon here. Okay, right, so just click on this run and go to Ayush, and automatically it will be like changed to the full screen once it's done. So let's just wait. Okay, so building the module. Okay, so now here it comes. So you can just reloading current modules is happening. Now just do right control and F, so that now you will go into the full screen. Yeah, that's correct. And again just type the same, right control F, so that you will just come back to the normal screen. Okay, so this is done. Let's just do control C. Yeah. Okay, so in this way you have installed your Linux Mint. Whatever you want to do, you can create anything in a directory and whatever you want to perform on this particular VM. So this is the yeah, that's it for this particular video, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Okay, so if you have any question, just ask in the comment section, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.